Hi you guys, I'm at Discount Tires in Napa, Idaho. I had some problems with the front tires and I say it's mechanical wear, but these guys are so good that they are letting me do a layaway, and they're putting new tires on even though they were worn because they said of mechanical and they weren't covered in my warranty. But I just want to say that Discount Tires has come through and saved the day again. Zena will have new front shoes, and he said to make sure I get her mechanically checked out to find out why it's wearing out like that. So Zena's getting new shoes, and Discount Tires, if you ever need tires, go to Discount Tires because they will work with you, and they do try their best to make sure you're safe and on the road. Have a great day, because you know you can. Explore everything. Peace. The guy who helped me here at Napa, at the Discount Tires, his name was Chris, and they really care about your safety here.